tip adjustment. It's down here. I'm using my little air compressor, so this one kind of runs out of air quickly. The reason I'm using the little ones because I'm upstairs and I'm just doing a little patch, so I don't want to bring my big 60-pound compressor up the stairs. So I may have to spray this a little bit and then let the air compressor get more air in the tank and then spray it again. But let's go ahead. It's going to get noisy because the air compressor is loud and it takes forever to fill up because it's my little air compressor for doing these small patches. It actually did pretty good for that small patch. Knockdown. A lot of guys like to let their mud set up, knock down. That's fine. If you're doing patches in the summer, it's really hot, you don't want to let them set up because they'll drag when you go to knock them down. But knockdown, I use a straight 6-inch knife, clean, damp. 6-inch knife is easier to use than a big knife, especially for patchwork. If you're doing a whole ceiling, whole wall, yeah, you'd use a bigger knife. But for patchwork, I'm not pushing down. I'm literally gliding the knife. I'm barely even holding the knife. Look. So this just takes experience of doing this, lightly knocking it down. The knife's just gliding over the surface. If you put any pressure on this, you're going to cause flat spots, which you don't want. Lightly knock it down. Trick here is I always keep a damp sponge. I keep my 6 clean. Sometimes just that layer of moisture on that 6 helps it glide across that texture easier. I've seen guys, they just go all day and they don't even wipe down, clean their knockdown knives. But I always have a sponge in my hand when I do knockdowns. You're not getting crazy with the knockdown. If you miss some areas, that's fine. You're going to have to sand this before you paint it, so any missed areas will get sanded down to give you that knockdown appearance. Sometimes over knockdown will make the job worse because this stuff's going to shrink back a little bit. So you want to leave it a little heavier than the existing if possible, because it's going to shrink back. Sponge. Some guys like to sponge the edge, just to overspray little dots. You don't have to do this because when you sand it the next day or when you sand it, they'll get rid of those dots.